Hello everyone! Welcome to Italy.
Italy. Just the name conjures up images. Sun-drenched vineyards, ancient ruins, plates piled high with pasta, the aroma of espresso in the air. Italy is a country that seduces the senses. It's a place where history comes alive, where art takes your breath away, and where food becomes a religious experience. This isn't just a country you visit, it's a country you feel, deep in your gut. It's a place that stays with you long after you've left. So pack your bags, loosen your belt, get ready to eat, drink and soak up the Italian experience. This is your guide to the best Italy has to offer. Rome, the Eternal City. A sprawling metropolis steeped in history. Walk the cobbled streets. Imagine gladiators battling in the Colosseum. Feel the power of the Roman Empire. Visit the Vatican City. Marvel at Michelangelo's masterpiece in the Sistine Chapel. Toss a coin in the Trevi Fountain. Make a wish. It's Rome. Anything is possible. Get lost in the labyrinthine streets of Trastevere. Discover hidden trattorias. Eat pasta like your Italian grandmother used to make. Sip on local wine. Feel the city's pulse. Rome is a feast for the senses. Don't rush Rome. Take your time. Let the city seduce you. You'll leave wanting more. Venice, a city built on water, a labyrinth of canals and bridges. Gondolas glide silently through the water, the sound of their oars echoing off the buildings. Visit St. Mark's Square, admire the Doge's palace, get lost in the narrow streets, discover hidden shops and cafes, take a gondola ride at sunset, watch the light dance on the water. It's a magical experience. Venice is a city of romance. It's a place to get lost, to wander aimlessly, and to fall in love with the city, with the food, and maybe even with each other. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, a city overflowing with art and culture. Visit the Duomo, climb to the top for breathtaking views, admire Michelangelo's David, explore the Uffizi Gallery, lose yourself in the masterpieces of Botticelli, lose yourself in the masterpieces of Leonardo da Vinci. Cross the Ponte Vecchio, the only bridge in Florence spared from destruction during World War II. It's now home to jewelry shops, a unique and beautiful sight. Florence is a city for art lovers, for history buffs, and for anyone who appreciates beauty. It's a city that will stay with you long after you've left. Section 5. The Amalfi Coast, dramatic beauty and coastal charms. This is a place where nature's grandeur meets human creativity, creating a landscape that is both awe-inspiring and serene. The Amalfi Coast, a breathtaking stretch of coastline that has captivated travelers for centuries. Its beauty is legendary, and its charm is undeniable. Dramatic cliffs plunge into the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean, creating a stunning contrast that is simply mesmerizing. The sheer drop of the cliffs into the sea is a sight to behold. Pastel-colored villages cling to the hillsides, each one with its own unique character and charm. These villages are like jewels set against the rugged cliffs, offering a glimpse of the region's rich history and culture. Rent a car and drive the winding coastal road, where every turn reveals a new and breathtaking view. The road itself is an adventure, with its twists and turns hugging the coastline. Stop at charming towns like Positano and Amalfi. These towns are the heart and soul of the coast, each with its own unique atmosphere and attractions. Wander through narrow streets, explore local shops, and soak in the vibrant culture. Take a dip in the crystal-clear water. The beaches here are some of the most beautiful in the world, with their clear blue waters inviting you to relax and unwind. Hike the Path of the Gods, a trail that offers some of the most spectacular views of the coast. This trail is a must for any nature lover, with its panoramic vistas and breathtaking scenery. A stunning trail with panoramic views of the coast. As you hike, you'll be treated to views that are nothing short of spectacular, with the sea stretching out before you and the cliffs rising up behind you. Enjoy a leisurely lunch at a seaside restaurant. The food here is as beautiful as the scenery, with fresh local ingredients and flavors that are sure to delight. Fresh seafood, local wine, and breathtaking views. There's nothing quite like dining with the sound of the waves in the background and the sea breeze in your hair. What more could you ask for? The Amalfi Coast is a place to relax, to unwind, and to enjoy the simple pleasures of life. The Amalfi Coast is a place to relax, to soak up the sun, to feel the warmth on your skin, and to let your worries melt away. to soak up the sun, to enjoy the good life, to savor every moment, and to create memories that will last a lifetime, and to enjoy the good life. The Amalfi Coast is a place where time seems to stand still, where every moment is a treasure, and where the beauty of the world is on full display. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where the sunsets are magical, the nights are filled with stars, and the days are a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. Section 6. Indulge your palate. A culinary journey through Italy. Embark on a gastronomic adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Italy, a food lover's paradise. A land where culinary traditions are deeply rooted in the culture and history of its people. Each region has its own unique cuisine. From the sun-drenched coasts to the rolling hills and bustling cities, every corner of Italy offers a distinct flavor and culinary experience. From the fresh seafood of the coast, where fishermen bring in their daily catch, ensuring the freshest ingredients for your plate, to the hearty pasta dishes of the north, where the art of pasta making has been perfected over generations. Try pizza in Naples, the birthplace of this beloved dish, where every bite tells a story of tradition and passion. Sample the creamy risotto in Milan, a dish that embodies the elegance and sophistication of this vibrant city. Indulge in the rich flavors of truffles in Piedmont, a region renowned for its luxurious and aromatic truffles. And don't forget the gelato, a sweet treat that is a must-have in any Italian culinary journey. It's the perfect way to cool down on a hot day, with its creamy texture and endless variety of flavors. And of course, no trip to Italy is complete without a cup of espresso. This strong aromatic coffee is a staple of Italian culture, enjoyed at any time of the day. Italian food is more than just a meal, it's an experience. It's about fresh ingredients, simple preparations, and the joy of creating something delicious from scratch. And above all, it's about sharing good food with good company. Whether it's a family gathering, a meal with friends, or a celebration, Italian cuisine brings people together, creating memories that last a lifetime. Section 7. Unearthing hidden gems off the beaten path adventures. Italy is more than just its famous cities. Venture off the beaten path, discover hidden gems, explore the rolling hills of Tuscany, visit vineyards and sample local wines. Discover the picturesque villages of Cinque Terre, 5 colorful villages perched on cliffs overlooking the sea. Hike between the villages, enjoy stunning views, explore the ancient ruins of Pompeii and Herculaneum. Frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius, a glimpse into Roman life centuries ago, Italy is full of surprises. Get off the beaten path, you never know what you might discover. Section 8. The Italian Art of Living. Embracing la dolce vita. Italians have mastered the art of living. La dolce vita. The sweet life. It's about slowing down, enjoying the simple things. Take your time, savor your meals, enjoy a glass of wine with friends. Don't rush. Embrace the Italian way of life. Strike up conversations with locals. Practice your Italian. You'll be surprised how far a little effort goes. Immerse yourself in the culture. Embrace the chaos. And most importantly, enjoy every moment. Section 9. Festivals and celebrations experiencing Italian culture. Italians love a good celebration. Their festivals are a vibrant display of their rich cultural heritage and communal spirit. Throughout the year, the country comes alive with festivals. Each region, town, and city has its own unique way of celebrating, reflecting local traditions and customs. From religious processions to food festivals, there's something for everyone. These events are not just about celebration, but also about preserving and sharing Italy's rich history and culinary delights. Experience the excitement of the Palio di Siena, a bareback horse race held twice a year in Siena. This event dates back to the medieval era and is a fierce competition between the city's districts. Witness the passion and rivalry between the different city districts. The race is not just a sporting event, but a display of local pride and historical rivalry. Indulge in the Venice Carnival, a spectacle of masks, costumes, and celebrations. This world-famous event transforms Venice into a magical place where history and fantasy blend seamlessly. Or visit during the Festa della Repubblica on June 2nd. This national holiday commemorates the birth of the Italian Republic and is marked by parades, ceremonies, and festive activities across the country. Celebrate Italian unity with parades and fireworks. The night sky lights up with spectacular displays, creating a festive atmosphere that brings people together. Festivals offer a unique glimpse into Italian culture. They are a time when the streets come alive with music, dance and laughter, showcasing the Italian zest for life. It's a chance to celebrate with the locals and to create unforgettable memories. Whether you're dancing in the streets or savoring traditional dishes, these festivals provide an immersive experience into the heart of Italy. Section 10. Practical tips for your Italian escapade. Planning a trip to Italy? Here are a few tips to make your journey smoother. Learn a few basic Italian phrases. It will go a long way. Pack comfortable shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking. Be prepared for crowds, especially during peak season. Book accommodations in advance. Embrace the slower pace of life. Don't try to cram too much into one trip, and most importantly, come hungry. With a little planning, your Italian adventure will be unforgettable. Section 11. Conclusion. Italy. A destination that stays with you. Italy is more than just a destination. It's a feeling, a state of mind. It's a place that gets under your skin and stays with you long after you've left. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the canals of Venice, from the rolling hills of Tuscany to the dramatic Amalfi Coast, Italy has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your flight, and get ready to experience the magic of Italy. It's a journey you won't soon forget.